Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is on this cane begonia that is called Gypsy Rose. It is striking, it is beautiful. So far it seems to be a smaller growing cane. Doesn't have really huge stems that are growing like, let's say, Sophia or Looking Glass, anything like that. But look at the colors of these leaves, okay? I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up accurately, but it is a beautiful pink rose color, metallic, and the veins are a very dark green that could almost look black at some angles. Again, this is cane, so it grows in an upright fashion. Underside of the leaves are typical dark red for a lot of cane and angel wing begonias. And care is exactly the same as the others that I've been growing. Let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. But look at how beautiful this is. It's almost like a miniature looking glass, and instead of it being silver, it is metallic rose. That's like the only way I can describe it. This is such a beautiful plant. It really is. Not a huge grower, like I said, but you can see it is definitely a beautiful addition to any collection or any brightly lit room. I love this plant. I have a few stems in here. I've had this for a while, and I kind of just put it under the grow lights and focused on other things, but I think I'm going to start chopping and propping because these stems, these canes are starting to grow. But yeah, if you have interest in beautiful foliage, but you're not necessarily a fan of the Rex begonias, rhizomatous begonias, because they can be a little tricky sometimes, as we all know from other videos on my channel, this is a lot easier to grow and maintain, but it is it definitely rivals the beauty of a Rex. I just think this is fantastic. I love the leaf shape. I love the leaf color. And yeah, we'll see how this one grows. So far, it just seems to be, I don't want to say miniature, but definitely smaller in stature than most cane begonias that I have. But the leaf color is just beautiful. Look at that. I have this in a pot in a cup. I'm probably going to change this to a bigger cup for a reservoir because it has a wick. I added a wick. And I don't keep a reservoir full of water for these guys. I think I've mentioned this in other videos. But I definitely have the wick because if I water and water does come out of the drainage holes, I want to have something there to be able to soak up that water in time before I water again. So again, I don't maintain a reservoir of water, but I definitely have a wick so that any extra water will eventually be soaked up into the medium, and then I let it dry out a little bit before I water again. And the plants do extremely well with that method. I've tried without the wick, and they do okay, but if you don't have a wick and you forget to water, that thing will definitely decline and start to wilt. So that wick kind of gives you like a buffer, extra time before you have to water again. Anywho, if you have any questions about how I've been growing this Gypsy Rose begonia, leave a comment because we'll talk about it. If you have any other questions about cane begonias in general, angel wing begonias, again, reach out and we will discuss because I love talking plants. If you have not already, it would be appreciated if you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you in the next video.